In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio Screen Share. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to aistudio.google.com, and once you're in here, you want to sign into your Google account and then click on Studio over here. Now, once you're inside Studio, you can see here on the left there's a bunch of options, and if you actually want to use the screen share feature, click on Stream over here, and then it says Share Screen over here down below this text box. Click on Share Screen, and here you're going to have a bit of different options, okay? So you're going to have the Chrome tab option, which will basically allow you to essentially share one of your Chrome tabs. You'll see the windows, so you'll be able to share all your windows on your computer over here, or you also have the third option, which can share your entire screen, so you can either share your monitor 1 or 2, whichever one you are using if you are using multiple. For this one, I'm just going to go to Window over here, and I'm going to click on this exact window inside Chrome I am at right now, so the Google AI Studio. You can simply click on the one you'd like to share, click on Share, and just like that, as you can see, it's now sharing. This thing over here implicates you are now sharing your screen, and it is visible what you are showing to Gemini over here. Now, it also gives you this pop-up asking you if you want to use your microphone. Right now, I'm not going to do this, but of course, if you want to use your voice to talk with it, you're going to have to click allow this time, or allow while visiting the site. Now, I'm going to close this down like this. There we go. And then this is it. You can now start typing a prompt and just talk with it while sharing your screen for whatever, of course, you want to do with it. Here, you can also hide this down below so it doesn't interrupt you, or you can just click on stop sharing to stop the share, and this will kind of go dark, as you can see. And to actually stop it and to remove this, just click on disconnect where it says stream is live, and just like this, you've successfully disconnected, and you can, of course, clear and start a new stream whenever you are ready. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.